go.
Come on then.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm getting excited. Are you getting excited?
I have no idea.
So, Joe, what are we going to go do today?
I'm so excited. We're going to go do one of my favorite things, or see one of my favorite things, bar none.
If you guys ever watched the episode when Joe came across buzzards on the bike,
That's nothing.
and you saw how excited she got,
That was
I
real.
promise this is going to be a lot more exciting for her.
Yeah.
And I'm actually kind of excited too about it as well.
Yeah.
But before we get into that, we're going to watch this intro.
Take a watch.
So roll this intro. We'll be right back.
Oh my God. My heart is pounding. Not even funny. He's in it.
So here we are, guys. Joe's
I'm shaking.
been anticipating this for a long time.
Yeah.
And now we're finally here.
So
So we're going to show you around a little bit.
I'm a Corvette lover from way back. I owned the 20th anniversary, no, 40th anniversary. And yeah, I need another one
Please.
badly.
She wants one in every color.
Every color. Particularly this.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Actually, I want the white one.
So what you're looking at is all these cars are getting ready for delivery. I like that color there.
Actually,
I like this color. Now if this had the Napa leather interior,
look at
it's at the gray or white. I like that Napa leather interior. Oh, this isn't being delivered to anybody. Oh, maybe it's ours. Did you hear Joe? She said, Jeff, just buy me one.
this one. This one.
You want this one, honey? Joe is drooling. It's not touchscreen, baby. Look at that face of disappointment. It says do not touch.
I didn't touch the car.
Joe is going to go in there, and I have a feeling it's going to cost more than a car by the time she gets out of there. Okay, this is a cool image. It's of the 53 Vet, but when you go in close, you see it's made from a bunch of different photographs of Corvettes. Isn't that awesome? How cool is that? There's the bottom of the sinkhole, everyone, where all the Corvettes fell down the little hole. And here's how they look coming out. They pulled them out and left them just as they were coming out of the hole. Oh, is that horrible. All that history. A total of 8 cars went down that sinkhole. They were able to repair these two. And that 53 back there, the black one. The 1 millionth car. That's a pretty car. The 1 millionth Corvette made. Okay guys, here's a Chip Foose build. This thing is beautiful. I had the lucky pleasure of sitting down and having lunch with Chip. And he is, in my opinion, this is only my opinion, I know a lot of others agree, one of the greatest car designers in America today. Just his styling, his design, the sleekness that he puts into a car is just incredible. Look how he tucked back these bumpers into the fenders. Even the headlights are tucked. This is in the Corvette Museum, but it is a 65 Impala, as it states right there. Just beautiful. So Joe, how was your day at the Corvette Haven?
Well, it was absolutely incredible except for the fact that somebody didn't get one.
Why didn't you get one?
Because I had a choice. Either this or this.
Yes, I did give her an option to get the car or a hat.
And since I don't have a black hat,
I told her she could have the hat today and the car someday in the future. So she decided to go with the hat.
when someday, you know,
No, remember I couldn't define someday.
that's okay.
Some days always tomorrow.
Some days always someday.
Yeah,
No, he did not right in front of me.
he did that in front of you.
I tried last time. It wasn't good.
Yes, she did. Everybody applauded when they drove away in their new car.
And I teared up. Like a dum-dum.
So as you see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ready to go?
7 that are being delivered today, or
And
being
2 of them
delivered,
have already gone, and this is the third one.
and 2 went already, yes. So there was 9 total that went.
Who's getting into this one? Not me.
And who's getting into the next one, honey? Why not?
Stop my feet. I'm on the screen.
All right, let's go out here and wrap this up. Well, everybody, that was our day at the Corvette Museum, which has been long a dream for JoAnne to see this. And well, we couldn't go on a tour of the actual plant or the factory because we're not buying one today.
But we are.
Buying one today?
I'll show you pictures.
Okay. And behind us, I don't know if you can tell, I'm going to tilt it up here a little bit.
It's so cool.
Got the Stingray emblem carved out of this metal, and we're at the Stingray Cafe. And it's sadly closed because we wanted a cocktail, but we couldn't get one. It's closed right now. But anyway, this was fun. We saw some great stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the content we got here.
Yeah. Make it your business. If you're out this way, come see it. It's unbelievable.
And where are we?
We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
That's right, Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yep.
Actually, just north by about, I guess 15.
5 miles.
15, 18 miles.
9
As you
miles.
guys can tell, she's a great navigator.
And it's that way north.
I asked her how far it was when we were out on the road yesterday from, I think it was from Dayton, Ohio to Cincinnati. And she looked at the map and she said, Jeff, it's about that far.
I did, actually. I don't know what else to say.
I looked at her, I says, I need that in miles. She says, well, how many miles is that?
Listen, there's a whole lot behind that, so just...
So as you can tell, she struggles with navigation. Oh, by the way, Joe, which way is north?
Honey,
And which way is south?
always north, south.
Yeah.
North, up, down, north, south. East to west, left to right, man. You got it.
You see what I'm dealing with?
That's the truth.
That's our navigation. Anyway, getting back to this wonderful day at the Corvette
It
Museum.
was a beautiful day.
Not only is it beautiful outside, but it was awesome inside. And we saw some gorgeous cars, and we saw the sad demise of 9 Corvettes that fell in the sinkhole.
I think it was only 8.
Was it 8?
It was 8. I'm always right.
It was 8. Okay, I thought it was 9. At any rate,
Maybe it was
that
8.
was sad. I think
Yeah.
it was 9. And then JoAnne cried when a couple of people took delivery of Corvettes and didn't take her with them.
I really did. I'm kind of ashamed.
She got teary-eyed. She really
Said it wasn't me.
She really had teared up.
Look, I'll show you. I have my tissue still.
Yes. So anyway, I guess that's it. Should we wrap this up?
Say
Oh
goodnight,
wait,
Gracie.
before
Oh,
we
wait a
do,
second.
we have big news.
Big news.
All right, guys, you ready for this? We are not doing the tailgate tour that we had planned.
Right.
There is a change of plans. Kind of sad news because of that. But
You said a couple of times that we had some other information to share.
right, so it's time to share it. You guys ready?
What?
You ready?
I
So JoAnne had a biopsy done, and in her mouth, and it came back negative, but it was
am. They're precancerous.
yes, precancerous of stuff. So she has to go under the knife again
In the mouth. Again.
in her mouth to get all of this removed. So we have an appointment Tuesday, a video appointment with the doctor to schedule the surgery as soon as possible.
They
So-
found it. I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
They found it all when they started all work on my mouth with
Right.
my teeth. They said,
Right.
how long has this been here?
And it had only been there a couple weeks at that point.
Right, and they were pretty emphatic about having it looked at, and then we did, and the doctor was not happy with what he saw either,
Right.
so it's got to come out.
So we had totally changed our entire plans for the fall, and now we're making a rapid trip back to Florida to the doctor so she can have her surgery. So we did do a couple games, and we're going to show you that in a future video, but sadly, due to medical reasons, we had to change and cancel the rest of the tailgate tour. So no more football for you guys this season, but we are going to do that again next season. All goes well, right?
Yes, correct.
So that's kind of the big news. And also we have a new set of transportations we need to share, right? Coming up.
Oh yes! Oh yeah!
We can't tell them
We
about
can't
it
tell you
yet.
what it is.
But we have a new mode of transportation we're going to
That's
share
right.
with you in
If you real, oh my gosh, it
one or
comes a
two
white one.
videos.
Sorry, there's a new white vet pulling in. Sorry.
oh well. So that's it for today, guys. We appreciate you tuning in, and don't forget to hit that little like button, subscribe, and click on the little bell. Ring the bell.
Please.
That'll notify you next time we launch a video.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day.
Peace.